welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm back for
Oh damn.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I ordered for a fridge. It's very beautiful, but let's see. I ordered for 3 million naira, yes. So I'm waiting for it outside my house.
No waking up beside you and holding you till we forget.
Oh my god, see outside. What's going on?
There was no second chances. Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh, baby, how could I know there was no second chance?
So guys, I'm buying this for 3K. It's mine. I'm going to fry it.
Let me help you.
Find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold.
Guys, I'm back for
So come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong.
so guys, I'm here.
It's on my head.
Wow, this is
I got this is very funny.
Hi.
Sean.
I love you guys.
Hi.
You got me stone cold.
Hey guys, so I'm wearing Rita Rose's guys.
You got me stone cold.
Yeah. Ó dà pé torí ó ta mi gan bí àtọ́rí kí ló ń pè relax. Yeah. Sorry. Wow, I'm not sleep. Sorry.
Oh damn. I've been feeling something for you lately. And I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy. 'Cause all I really, really want is to be with you. And I'm like, I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters.
What can I say? I know.
Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, that Say that I'm alright, cry on the inside.